Hello everyone, welcome to Mech-In-Tech. So in this video we are going to see like operator. So like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specified pattern in a column. So we can use like operator in these many ways. So we will see everything in practical. So let's move to SSMS. So here we will use like operator on shopping trends table. So let me query that. So now what we will do, like our we will use our very first like operator, that is starts with. Okay, so where what I will do, I will perform like operator on category column. So the syntax will be select star from where column name, that is category. After that you have to specify like operator, like after that a percentage. So what this will do, like a percentage, so it will search all the categories which starts with a. Okay, now let's see. So there is no category which is starting with a. So now what we will do, we will search for s. Like now it will search for categories which will start with s letter. So see, so we are having sweater, sandals, sneakers, shirts, shorts. So these all categories starts with S. Okay, so starts with S. Now what we can do? Now we can look for the categories which is ending with any letter. Okay, like suppose we are putting ending with a. So if you want to search for categories which are ending with a, what you have to do, you have to specify percentage symbol at the start and then the letter which you are looking for. Okay, so ends with. So what I will do, I will just run this one and let's see. So here are no categories which are ending with a. So what I will do, I will just search for s only. Let's see if we found any category which is ending with s. So if you can see here, now the categories we are getting is jeans. So it means it is starting with the j letter but it is ending with s. Okay, what I will do, I will run both queries and now you can see. So our first query output is starting with s and second query output is ending with s. So in first query you can see categories which are starting with s only. Okay, but in second query, that is category ends with s, you can see any random any letter which apart from s but ending with s only, if you see everywhere. So now we will see another like operator. So in this like operator we will try to find that value like which comes in any position. Okay, so for this our syntax will be like select star from our table name where category like. So what I will do, I will search for double o. Okay, so syntax will be like at the starting you have to give percentage, after that the letter which you are looking for, and after that again percentage. Okay, so what it will do, it will search for like in category, if anywhere it found double o it will show up the results. Okay, now see, I'm running the query. So see, now in category we are getting only those category which containing two O's. Okay, so anywhere it can come. Okay, so suppose if I change this one. If I put WEA, okay, now see. So WEA come between sweater. Okay. So in any position if it comes, it will show up the results. Okay. So any position, it will give result. So now I would like to give you one small example. Okay. So in our day-to-day life, we mostly do online shopping. So if I am looking for earphones and if I press only E, okay, so I will get all those results which are starting with E. Okay, if you see earbuds, earpods, electric cycle, so everything starting with E, I will get the results. And I was looking for earphone, then I will just press on earphone. I don't need to write complete earphone spelling. Okay, so now by mistakenly, if I search for OUS, okay, like OUS, by mistakenly I have searched for OUS. So now what it will do, it will first look for like starting with OS or not, and if not, then it will find and show up the result. Otherwise it will look for the values that have OUS in any position. Okay, so you can see OUS is coming on any position, like in between M and E, OUS is coming, so we get this result. Okay, so you can relate these things with our like operator only. So it is nothing but like operator. Okay, and same pattern, like same specified pattern we saw in our uh, like operator. If you see here, we saw starting with S letter or any position that gives you like desired results. Now what we can do, we will search for one more pattern, that is like, if you want to search, if you want to search category which is starting with, S and ending with R. Okay, so just see, you will get sweater only. Now we will look for different one. So if you can see, in category we are having blouse also, okay, or coat also. So what I will do, I will just enter, like our starting letter will be B and ending letter will be E. And if I run the query, then I will get only those results which are starting with B and ending with E. Okay, I hope you have a clear idea about like operator. B and ends with E. Now we are having many more patterns, so you can like see by yourself, like this one underscore R. So what it means, it means like R in the second position. So underscore means like it represent one or single characters. Okay, and percentage represent 0, 1 or multiple characters. So if you can see here, like A underscore percentage, so it means it starts with A and length of the character at least 2. Okay, same here, like if you go 3 underscore, then it will be starting with A and at least 3 character in length. And this we saw, like starts with A and end with O. I hope you have now clear idea about like operator. Thank you.